My grandfather was a communist. He was a communist. They came from shtetl. Both of my grandparents came from shtetl, different shtetls. But my grandfather became a communist, Komsomolist actually, his early years. He was very active. He believed in revolution and all that, what was happening. And then he became a communist. And he went to Party Institute, and he finished it, and he was very active leader. And he came to grandma's shtetl as a leader, communist leader, and eventually became a director of kolkhoz, which is a communal collectivization, that movement. He was a director of one of the communal collective farm, sorry. And that's how they met. He came to the pharmacy to buy medicine, and he fell in love with my grandma Little Dimples and her sweet personality. But he remained to be a communist leader in that area, and actually was one of the enemies, the kulaks, wealthy farmers, were trying to shut him, and for the rest of his life he had a little dent on his forehead. He was a communist, and he went to World War II as a communist, as a political leader, until in 1942 he was actually put one of the gulag camps, and he was there for 8 years. He managed to survive. My grandma, one of the stories my grandma told me, that grandpa had very pretty handwriting, almost calligraphy kind of handwriting, and he said that saved his life in there. But that's another story to be told. So he was a believer, and even after the war, after the gulag, after he survived, I'm afraid he was still a believer of that communist movement. That's how he was.